Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected Senator Javed Jabbar, Janab Fareed F. Panjwani, Dean, IED Aga Khan University, our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Taha Salim, Deputy Commissioner, Central District, Karachi, Mohtarma Najia Raza, Vice Principal, Karachi School and College, Central Karachi. Distinguished guests, respected educationists, scholars, school leaders, and dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum, and a very warm welcome to you all. It gives me immense pleasure as Managing Trustee of the Shahwilayat Educational Trust to welcome you to this important and timely conference, Justuju, Rethink School Education with AI. This conference is part of a series of engagement we plan to organize focusing on critical and emerging issues in school education. The Shahwilayat Educational Trust was established in 1981 by Anjuman-e Sadat Amroha, Karachi, a distinguished social, welfare and literary organization. The trust was founded with a clear mission to further the cause of education for all segments of society. Construction of our first purpose-built school building begins in 1985 and Campus 1 started functioning in 1990. Later, our second campus was established in 2015 at Sadat Amroha Cooperative Housing Society, Scheme 33, Karachi. Over this long journey, countless volunteers, donors, and office bearers of trust have continued their time, resources, and wisdom. I acknowledge them with deep respect and gratitude as their dedication has made this institution vibrant, service-oriented, and well-focused. I would also like to express our sincere gratitude to the sponsors of this conference, whose generous support has made this event possible. This conference is the result of the tireless dedication and teamwork of the Conference Organization Committee. I would particularly like to acknowledge the leadership of Syed Ali Johar Naqvi, Chairman of the committee, Mr. Umar Siddiqui, Secretary, and the unwavering support of Madam Nudrat Imam and Madam Kulsoom Zahra, principals of both campuses. Their commitment of time, energy, and vision turned an idea into a meaningful reality as of today. Our principal, Madam Nudrat Imam, will share further details about the school academic journey and activities in her presentation. Allow me now to turn to the theme of today's conference. The word Justuju, the search, the quest, beautifully captures the spirit of education itself. Education has never been about memorizing answers. It has always been about asking better questions. Today, as the world stands at the intersection of human intelligence and artificial intelligence, our Justuju becomes even more meaningful and more urgent. For more than 4 decades, the Shahwilayat Educational Trust has remained committed to a simple yet powerful belief: education must be relevant, ethical, and exclusive. Artificial intelligence now challenges us to rethink the very foundation of schooling. What should children learn? How should teachers teach? And most importantly, how do we ensure that technology enhances humanity rather than replaces it? AI is not merely a tool, it is a force reshaping knowledge, skills, and careers. If a school do not evolve, they risk preparing its students for a world that no longer exists. Yet, as we embrace AI, we must remember that values, empathy, creativity, and moral judgment cannot be automated. This conference is not about celebrating technology for its own sake. It is about responsible integration, using AI to personalize learning, empower teachers, reduce inequities, and ignite curiosity, while firmly anchoring education in ethics, culture, and human connection. I am encouraged that this platform brings together educators, thinkers, practitioners, and innovators. No simple institution has all the answers, but together, through dialogue and collaboration, we can shape a more meaningful future for school education with AI. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of the organizing team, academic partners, speakers, and all those working quietly behind the scene. Your dedication truly reflects the spirit of Justuju. As we inaugurate the conference, I invite all participants to engage openly, question deeply, and imagine boldly. Let us leave this forum not only informed, but inspired, ready to translate ideas into action. On behalf of the Shahwilayat Educational Trust, I wish Justuju Rethink School Education with AI every success. Thank you all for your presence and for reflecting on this important and timely subject. Thank you.